Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. The Subaru Legacy arrived in 2020 as a completely redesigned sedan. For its third model year on sale since the introduction of the new generation, the 2022 Legacy will enter the new model year as a carryover model. The redesign for the Legacy in 2020 brought a more muscular and sleeker design than previous generations. At the front, the sedan features sharp headlights, a wide front air intake, and a grooved hood. The rear end isn't as aggressive, with oval taillights, a modest spoiler, and a hidden exhaust outlet. On the inside, the current Legacy has a more upscale design. The flowing dashboard design leads into a massive, vertically oriented touchscreen. With minimal buttons and dials, the Legacy center console has a streamlined look. Being a carryover model, the 2022 Legacy will share the same interior design as the current model. The entry-level 2022 Legacy will continue to come with two 7-inch touchscreen, two USB ports, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as standard equipment. Other trims come with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone charging, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and navigation. The Legacy is available with two different engines. A 2.5-liter flat-4 is standard and produces 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. A more powerful turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 is available that generates 260 horsepower and 277 pounds-to-foot of torque. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The Legacy comes with adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist as standard. Lane change assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, driver drowsiness monitoring, and reverse automatic emergency braking are optional. Subaru has announced that the 2022 Legacy will begin arriving at dealers this summer. Pricing will range from $23,995 to $37,155, including destination fees. This midsize sedan will compete with the Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Hyundai Sonata, and Mazda 6.